Hey people, considering I set up my channel so that I share this very sudden like gyan that it occurs to me, but really this is something that it's only in my 30s now that I've understood that like I used to have this 90-year-old aunt who used to say, everything is like color and features. If you have good color and if you have good features, then you will be good looking, which I used to really think it's like the gospel truth, because that's what it all comes down to, right? I mean, whether you have a good figure or which again, a good figure and good skin and all is it's very indicative of diet and health, and that in turn depends on discipline. But yeah, that's a all new category altogether. But what I recently discovered is that what in the end makes a person look good, good looking or not, is charm. And charm is a very personality dependent thing. I mean, no, really, in the end it is that. I mean, okay, look at me saying this, that I've seen, like, Bhagyeshri the actress, she is also like, we are three sisters at home, and Bhagyeshri the actress also has two other sisters. They are also three sisters, and technically, from a very technical point of view, since her mom has light eyes, I think her sisters also have light eyes, and they are like really fair skinned, and they're like, gorgeous women. But I think if you were to see a group photo of them, Bhagyeshri looks the cutest, simply since, no, I mean, I'm a real Bhagyeshri fan, so, but otherwise also she looks the cutest, simply since she's got that certain charm in her face. Yeah, so no, yeah, it just recently, while going through some photo albums, it was like a light bulb moment in my head, because I had given up hope. Yeah, I feel I have like a big nose and I'm like dark and I'm मेरा क्या होगा टाइप, आई मीन वो तो स्टिल इट्स, आई मीन, नॉट येट reach that complete equanimous state with regard to my looks. But no, now I'm at peace and now I'm happy. But then it was that I just realized, if you're charming as a person, it just gets reflected on your face, and then you are automatically good looking. So all the people out there who've been on a similar journey like mine of being insecure about the shape of their nose or their skin or hair and all, just know that if you're a charming person, if you're a nice person, much like how Roald Dahl says that good thoughts are like sunbeams, that they simply shine through a person's face, and I think that is very true. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.